Realme GT Neo 3. Realme GT Neo 3 Mobile was launched on 22nd of March 2022. The phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate 6.70-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 2120 by 1080 pixels, Full HD+. The display sports Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. Realme GT Neo 3 is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 8105G processor. It comes with 8GB of RAM. The Realme GT Neo 3 runs Android 12 and is powered by a 5000 mAh non-removable battery. The Realme GT Neo 3 supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Realme GT Neo 3 on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel f/1.88 primary camera, an 8-megapixel f/2.25 ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 2-megapixel f/2.4 macro camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 16-megapixel sensor with an f/2.45 aperture. The Realme GT Neo 3 runs Realme UI 3.0, is based on Android 12 and packs 128GB of inbuilt storage. The Realme GT Neo 3 measures 163.30 by 75.60 by 8.22 mm, height x width x thickness, and weighs 188.00 grams. It was launched in asphalt black, nitro blue, and sprint white colors. Connectivity options on the Realme GT Neo 3 include Wi-Fi, GPS, NFC, and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. As of 1st of May 2022, Realme GT Neo 3 price starts at 36,999 rupees. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.